Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to decorate a vignette in my living room. Come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now, I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and decorate this area here with the vignette. Okay, so if we take a look at this lantern here, this was a thrifted item from the Salvation Army. And then I went ahead and attached this really beautiful silvery, glittery poinsettia right in there with a nice candle. We have that lit. The vignette tray is in black, and that was a DIY item. Okay guys, so I got two of these station wagon wooden pieces, cutouts from the crafter section of the Dollar Tree. Then someone had given me a bag full of these crosses, so I went ahead and attached the cross to it. I painted the wood in white, put a floral. I had a crate that I had glued in the center, placed the styrofoam in it, and then we made a floral arrangement and some lavender color roses. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? So this I thought would be really nice to use, and now we're bringing some accessories to decorate the tray. And all of them, by the way, are all faith items. Now, on Friday, the 29th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I have a new collaboration. I didn't want to end the year without us mentioning something that we would like to see answered, whether it be a prayer, whether it be a vision, a goal, something that we have that we are looking forward to in this coming year. Let's go ahead, make a video. It is freestyle, and again, it's called the Year of New Beginnings. And so let's see what all of us have to say. The 29th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I cannot wait to see you there, guys. Now, don't you just love that station wagon floral arrangement? I absolutely love it. It's so unique. Okay, so if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.